What is dualism? Broadly construed, dualism refers to a theory which holds the belief that reality is consist of two irreducible elements or entities. Dualism is more pronounced in philosophy than in many of the sciences. For example, in metaphysics in general, dualism refers to the belief that reality has two kinds, namely, material, that is, physical, and immaterial, that is, spiritual. Hence, as we can see, in metaphysical dualism, the true picture of reality has two parts, namely, physical bodies and non-physical minds. In philosophy of mind, dualism asserts that mind and body are fundamentally distinct kinds of substances, and that they can exist independently from each other. For example, in René Descartes' model of philosophy of mind, both mind and body are considered as substances, and are completely distinct from each other. For Descartes, the mind is a non-extended thinking thing, while the body is a non-thinking extended thing. Dualism is distinguished from monism, a philosophical doctrine which holds the belief that reality is one and is governed by a unified set of laws, and from pluralism, a philosophical doctrine which holds the belief that there are many kinds of substances in nature that constitute reality. In Western philosophy, dualism can be traced back to the works of the famous ancient Greek philosopher, Plato. As we may already know, in his famous theory of forms, Plato developed the idea that everything that exists in the material world is simply a copy, or a shadow of the true reality that exists in the realm of forms. As is well known, for Plato, the term forms refers to the abstract, perfect, unchanging concepts or ideals that transcends time and space, which can only be accessed through the intellect. Plato's dualism was resurrected by the dualist thinkers in the 17th and 18th centuries, especially by the famous father of modern philosophy, René Descartes. Again, as already hinted above, Descartes argues that mind and body are fundamentally distinct kinds of substances, and that they can exist independently from each other.